5 essential things for wildlife photography other than the camera, lens and gears. 1. Appropriate clothing. You will likely spend a lot of time outside in varying weather conditions, so it's essential to dress appropriately. Wear clothing that is comfortable, breathable, weightless, and can protect you from the sun, rain, wind, and cold. 2. Binoculars. Binoculars can be helpful for spotting wildlife from a distance and planning your shots. They can also help you observe animals without disturbing them, which is important for ethical wildlife photography. 3. Lens cleaning equipment. Dust and dirt can easily get onto your camera lens when you're shooting outdoors. Therefore, carrying a lens cleaning cloth or brush can help you keep your lens clean and ensure the best possible image quality. 4. Field guide. A field guide can help you identify the different species of wildlife you might encounter, which is especially useful if you're traveling to a new area. It can also provide information on the behavior and habitats of different animals, which can help you plan your shots. 5. Water and snacks. Wildlife photography can be a physically demanding activity, so it's important to stay hydrated and nourished. Carry enough water and snacks to keep you energized and hydrated throughout your shoot. These are the 5 essential things when you go for a wildlife photography as per my experience. Please suggest if you have anything to be added in the comments section. Thank you for watching and happy shooting.